How to transfer crypto from Bitget to Revolut. Here's how to send crypto from your Bitget wallet straight to your Revolut account. Step 1. Go to the Crypto tab in the Revolut app. Tap Receive. Choose the crypto you want to transfer like USDT, BTC, or ETH, and copy the wallet address. Step 2. Open the Bitget app or website and go to Assets, then to Spot Account. Find the crypto you want to send and tap Withdraw. Step 3. In the withdrawal page, paste the address you copied from Revolut. Select the exact same network shown in Revolut. For example, if Revolut uses ERC20 for USDT, select ERC20 in Bitget too. Step 4. Type how much you want to send. Review the details carefully, especially the network and wallet address. Submit the withdrawal and complete any 2FA security prompts. Step 5. Transfers usually arrive in a few minutes to an hour, depending on network traffic. You'll get a notification from Revolut once the crypto is received. Just a little heads up, Revolut doesn't charge a fee to receive crypto, but Bitget will deduct a small blockchain network fee during withdrawal. Sending on the wrong network can result in permanent loss, so always double-check both apps. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.